and I hope it's not going to take another 9/11 to wake us up.
The world is fucked up, man. So I picked up a pen and a pad. And this is what I wrote, y'all. Come on, listen. I thought I gave it a chance. Now my plans to be massive, my plans to be great are not burning like acid. A casket of hope's getting closed, and I know that the show was like over. Nothing's everlasting. Keep laughing, I'm clapping at life and this globe, and the shit that we live in is more like a joke. While we coaching and preaching about life in need, and yeah, people are starving and brothers are broke. Our minds gotta grow and our hearts gotta beat, and our ears need to hear when these eyes cannot see. Gotta be what I want, not what they wanna be. Cause I'm me, I'm not them, let them be what they please. So I back down, I don't fit openly, personally, with a society that keeps on provoking me, with a society that likes to make jokes of me. I tell you right now, this shit ain't gonna work for me. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Don't say you can't shit, cause talk is cheap. What I see with my eyes is what I'ma believe. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Don't say you can't shit, cause talk is cheap. What I see with my eyes is what I'ma believe. I grab the old mic once again to be sure and ensure that I'm still sane enough to endure. And I'm purely a freak for some hip-hop with soul, cause soul is for music like heart is for you. Now it's heartbreaking news every day on the TV. Believe me, it's sleazy, the media's greedy. Their greed makes them hungry and war gets to feed them, while people are dying to try to get freedom. Sad but it's true, they don't care, they don't need us. They need us to die, they don't want us still breathing. Their pockets are still getting fed by the rockets. The guns and the humans that die make headlines as the martyrs that talked when they cut off their heads. And they blamed and they said that they were terrorists, when in fact they were wrong, they were cold, they were heartless. Don't care about the cause when it's money and harming. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Don't say you can't shit, cause talk is cheap. What I see with my eyes is what I'ma believe. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Nobody cares about the coolest of me. Don't say you can't shit, cause talk is cheap. What I see with my eyes is what I'ma believe.
We're going to begin our report with the war in Iraq and a growing number of Iraqi civilians who are paying with their lives.
More and more innocent civilians are dying in the war.
And in a few cases, U.S. troops being accused in those killings.
We should have bombed somebody in Iran like President Nixon did to the Vietnamese.